Good morning from Cornwall. It's the most beautiful sunny day. It's Sunday and it is absolutely gorgeous. The cherry blossom is in bloom. It's not fully covered yet, but it's almost there and it's gorgeous. And so is the lilac. The lilac's coming into bloom as well. It's almost there. Isn't that lovely? So I put one of the hostas on the table to hopefully, keep it a bit nicer. Slugs and snails will have a job to get to it now. I'll put these on the table as well. But meanwhile, let me show you my haul from the garden centre today. This is what I've got. Put some of them in the greenhouse, some of them in the ground. So I've got some antirrhinums, which are going to be lovely. I've got some trailing lobelia for all my pots and hanging baskets. I've got a lovely, low battery, lovely plant called Choicea. And I've got a poppy that I'm looking forward to. It's white with a very dark purple centre, and salvia. So I'll get all these in the greenhouse and get them ready. So today I'm going to attempt to clean these paving slabs that are in my courtyard garden, and they are really, really dirty from the winter. They've got slime on them and everything, like algae. They're horrible. I'll just show you. Right, and I thought, now what am I going to do? Because I don't like using chemicals really, and I don't like using anything that could be, like bleach or something that's harmful to the animals, because of cats and things. So I remembered that my grandmother used to use soda crystals and just washing up liquid. Thing is, you've got to leave it on, I think. It doesn't work immediately, you've got to leave it on. So I'll try to what should I do? I'll just do a section. I'll do this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 tiles or slabs, okay? And then I'll show you how it turns out. I've got my trusty soda. I've got all my gardening clothes on. So let's move this. Right. Now, you can see we're wetting it really a bit more than what it is. Section. I'll move the table and chairs as well. Okay, let me do that a sec. I should have done that in the beginning, shouldn't I? Okay, then squeeze belly alley again. There we go. Got a nice sign as well. Squeeze belly alley. Well, you can't get a wheelbarrow down there or anything like that, sadly. But anyway, right, so I've got this going on my cleaning the courtyard slabs, paving slabs. That's going on. While that's all soaking in and doing its job, I've got everything out onto the gravel. So what I'm going to do is let me get out of the sun a second. and glasses on. Okay, so these lovely chairs are due for a makeover, and one table, two tables, and a couple of these chairs as well. So the patio, the courtyard furniture is going to get a facelift. So we'll let that soak, and I'll wash it off, and then I'll do it again, and then I'll show you the before and the after. Morning, lovelies. Early morning. It's about 6:15. 6:20. Look at my paving slabs. That is amazing. That's just one application. I am very pleased with that. I didn't want them like, you know how it comes up when they're power washed. I didn't want them like that. I wanted them with a bit of character. That is just a wet spot that is, that'll dry out today. So I painted my furniture. This is a bench that's going to be painted. Listen to those birds. I'm really, really, really pleased with the way that's turned out, though. So clean. I like to have a little change around. I've introduced that stone column to the courtyard garden, and I've introduced this little house here. It's made of tin. Nice that, like that. So there we are. So I'll put the furniture in now and show you. I can't believe how clean these paving slabs are with my special treatment. Don't they look good? And of course I painted the bench at the back there. So this is my refurbished table and chairs. They look so much nicer white against the stone wall. Let me show you what I've just bought from the supermarket. I've just got 3 clematis for £5. That's just amazing, and they're pretty good sized plants. They'll flower this year. Pretty good, eh? So, the new gravel has arrived. And the handyman hasn't. So I've done all this. The driver put it in 3 piles and I've spread it. It's gonna look nice. Went and bought myself a nice new rake from Screwfix. It's a cracker. I didn't have one, not like that. I've got leaf rakes and things, but not like that. So there we are. So that's a big job to do. It'll take me 2 days to. I'm working off all those calories as well. So. Things are starting to happen in the seed department. Sunflowers. So I'm looking forward to those. No idea where I'll put them, but I'm sure I'll find a space. That's the lemon scented geranium, which is it's just absolutely gorgeous. Now I had some seeds somewhere. These geraniums are just beautiful, gorgeous condition. I'm loath to put them out, they're so nice. What else have I got? There's a hanging basket there, ready to go out. I've got all these lovely little primroses, and they've self-seeded into the gravel. So I'm going to take them all up, put them in pots. There are a lot of them. Look, everywhere. Those are weeds. So I'll take up the primroses and replant them. It's like a poppy. See, there's a poppy there. Anyway, I'm going to get that as well. I ended up getting 30 Primula that have self-seeded. They are different colours. I've got the yellow and the pink. So, but that wouldn't matter if they weren't different colours, actually. They're so lovely. Yeah, so 30 self-seeded. I've been meaning to do this job for ages to get them. Some of these pots have got 2 in. Two small ones. But anyway, so there we are. I hope you enjoyed your visit to my garden, and I'd love it if you visited again. And with that, I'll say bye for now, and as always, love from Cornwall.